Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to do Mitsuki from the Boruto series. So, as usual, we're going to start with the right eye. So find the middle of your page, come over a little bit, and draw a line coming up like that. Curving diagonal line. Then you're going to make the top of this just kind of a bit thicker, so it comes up and then it comes out to a spike at the end, just here, and then it curves down around the side. This will come around then for his bottom eyelid, just like that, and in there we have his iris, which is just two lines, real big eyes on this one, two lines and a pupil. He has eyebrows real small, just coming up, just like that, real tiny little eyebrows, and they're like grey inside. And then we'll come over about an eye distance again, not the full, it's not like right to this spike, it's like the white part of his eye. If you measure that and then come over, that's where his next eye will start, just here. And you do pretty much the same thing, just going the other way. So it'll curve this way, come up to a spike at the end, and you just make it thicker. And then down around the side, and then over the other way. And then his iris is in there, two curved lines, like so, and then a pupil just here, bang in the middle. And then he's a small eyebrow, just like this one. So a diagonal line this way first, and then this comes up to a pointy bit, and then comes back down, like so. So his nose is just here, and the only lines, are nostrils. Simple. And then his mouth, straight line. Just across, maybe with a little smirk at the end, maybe. Doesn't give away much emotion, Mitsuki. So then his bottom lip, just there. And then his chin is just down here. So mouth halfway between the, well, just about the bottom lip there. Halfway between chin and the nose. Nose halfway between eyes and chin. Right, so there's the chin, and jaw comes up. If I go too fast, guys, slow it down. Use a pencil and eraser first. So jaw comes up to there, and it meets two little pieces of hair that come up, but we'll do the jaw on the other side first. Comes up to there. So not that pointy of face, kind of round. Not a lot of angles because he's young. So, and then he has two hair spikes just here on both sides, like so. It's like a letter W, capital W, and this comes up to his headband, like so. Goes underneath his headband, this, and then his headband comes across here. So and his ears. So we do his ears. Curve around. Like so. And then you have the lines, bones, and ligaments and things inside the ear. Boop. diagonal line down, coming down this way. You do these many different ways. Curving line that way, and then another line just in there. So his hair comes down over his headband, so it's different to a lot of the characters in Naruto. So if we do the side of his headband just here, and the side of his headband just here, then we can do his hair that comes down around, and then finish off the metal plate inside. So, spike. Kind of like that. So it spikes, and then it's like a curvy line up to here. And then we have another one behind it. So it curves out first. We're going to come back in, like so. And then a little one here comes out, and this one will come into the middle of his head, and then the others will go around the other way. So we'll do a big long round line just going this way, and this comes out to a spike just here. And then there's another curvy spike line there. And then comes in a bit. So they're behind one another, so this one's behind this one, and this one is behind the next one. This one comes down to here. And then we have his fringe, the bits that come across the headband. So this will come up to there, and then meets the next one, which comes down real long, comes up this way now. And then we have another one here, all the way up. And then the last one curves down there, and then curves back up here. And then we can see the top of the headband here, and the top of the metal plate just there. And then the bottom of the metal plate is down here. It comes across like so. And another line maybe just across here, with some bolts holding it on. And of course the hidden leaf symbol just here, and we can't see all of it. We could just see the tail coming out here, curving around back under his hair, and then the pointy beak down here comes in and around under that to a spiral, and then comes back around like that kind of, and there's just a gap in here to give it that double line shape. And the rest of it just goes under hair. You could draw the whole thing and rub it out if you were doing it with a pencil. Probably easier. Right, so his neck. So his neck comes down here from his jaw. Meets the collar of his outfit, so it's like a kimono kind of outfit he's wearing. So we have two lines that come down, meet, cross over one another, meet down here. Another one this way, and then we have the back of his collar, comes from his neck there, comes from his neck here, and comes down to make a collar on this side, and the same over there. And then his shoulders come down and off the page. And the very last thing, he has some hair just behind his head. So 3 spikes, 1, 2, 3. And same over here. 1, 2, and 1 more. And that's it. Mitsuki from Boruto. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.